Hello and welcome to Deb's Palette, where I'm going to show you the art journal pages that we're going to be making up at a country Papercraft in Bruce Rock with hosts Marg and Vicky. This retreat for art journaling is going to be held from Friday the 17th of October till Monday the 20th of October. During this time we're going to be making 4 various art journal pages with lots of different techniques. First one is the zombie hunter. The next one will be the steampunk warrior. The third one will be purple haze. We will be experimenting with a lot of different techniques. The 4th page that we're going to be making is epic cool. Again, lots and lots of techniques, lots of mixed media things that we're going to be playing with. So what is going to be in your kit? So you will be receiving a couple of pages from Uniquely Creative's Steampunk Graffiti scrapbook range. You will be receiving 2 of their cut apart sheets. You will be receiving some mixed media paper and some digitally printed images from a couple of online people, Art House Whimsy and Craft Giraffe. You will also be receiving some rub-ons and to play with a few other things like Dusty Attic chipboard, a little bit of ephemera like stickers and some hardware. And to finish off, we're going to be playing with some Uniquely Creative pigment powders, which will be included in your kit as well. So when we do this, I obviously provide you with a quite comprehensive kit, but you will be required to bring some of your own stuff, and I will have some shared things there for you to use as well. Remember, to secure your spot, you really do need to get in contact with Marg and Vicky up at Country Papercraft, and they will let you know what you need. Thank you.